Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a system image backup in Windows 11. So most often Windows 11 users encounter problems like system crashes, blue screen, etc. So those who don't know what is a system backup, it's basically a backup where you can file your image, videos and documents. You will not lose a single thing. So let's get back to the steps. Go to the search bar and search control panel. Okay. Now look for the system and security option. You can see here the first one, tap on it. Now go to the fifth one, backup and restore. Okay. Now you will get to see the two options here, create a system image or create a system repair disk. Okay, so you have to choose the first one, create a system image. Tap on it. It will take some time. It's looking for the backup. You will get the option where you want to save your backup file. Okay, so you can see here the volume DEF. Choose the one and choose the location where you want to save your backup. Tap on next, next, and tap on start backup. So guys, this was the easiest way to backup your important files and stuff. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.